Well, we'll look at the big picture. Basically, we've had a flow pattern now that comes in from the Pacific carrying mid and high level moisture. So you can see this motion is from west to east. And then down here we have low level Gulf flow coming up. So we're bringing warm moist air up, a slightly cool surface. This warm moist air, which rises a little bit, goes up over the top and keeps a low cloud deck. And the sun is unable through the day to burn through the mid and high level clouds and get rid of our low level. So we've kept a good deal of cloud cover. We also have these little areas of lower pressure tracking across. The big low pressure areas out here, Gulf of Alaska. We're going to see these lows kick across, get some cold air injected into them and move that cold air south, and we're going to get a few frontal boundaries that are weak. They're not all going to come through us, but we've got them in the forecast, and we'll see what happens with those. Satellite radar, you can see the cloud mass moves across. We've thinned out some spots in them. That little low-level moisture from the south at times shows some radar returns, although we've only had generally drizzle around the area. Past 6 hours, clouds in and out, some thin spots, south and southeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. And the future track, we continue to bring those numbers down, but not that far down. 50s, upper 50s and 60s is going to be our overnight lows primarily. We will see a little moisture out to the west of us, a little terrain lift on the hill country. And tomorrow we've got a front that's going to work its way through, so we'll be seeing that frontal boundary push through, just a small chance of showers with it. So overnight tonight, 62. We've been increasing the low-level moisture. That should set us up for some morning drizzle. Winds will be generally southerly throughout the night. And then tomorrow, 70 degrees with that approaching cold front. As it comes in, tightens the pressure gradient, we force more warmth up. So we can get 70 even with a good deal of cloud cover, and we'll get some gusty winds as well. Front should go through sometime tomorrow evening, nighttime hours. We do have a little drizzle in the morning, possibly some fog, and then a little overrun rain for Monday morning. That ends. Not too much of a decrease in clouds. We'll go partly to mostly cloudy skies Tuesday, Wednesday. We're well above normal there in the generally upper 70s, but we'll get a nice cool front coming in next Friday night, back to 60s and 40s. Chris.
All right, Bill, thanks so much.